explain the surface area and volume of right circular cylinder. A right circular cylinder, it is a three-dimensional shape. It has three faces, two circular faces and one curved surface. So if the axis of the cylinder is perpendicular to each cross section, then the cylinder is called right circular cylinder. So axis means a cylinder has two circular faces. So the circular faces has a center. It is a circular shape. A circle has a center. Is the line segment joining the center of two circular faces that we called as the axis of the cylinder. If the axis is perpendicular to the radius of the base, then the cylinder is called a right circular cylinder. Right means right angle. That means in case of right circular cylinder, the axis of the cylinder make an angle 90 degree with the radius of the base of the cylinder. Here by a cylinder we would mean a right circular cylinder. The radius of the cross section of a cylinder is called its radius. The circular ends on which the cylinder rests is called its base. The length between the two ends is called its height. The height of the cylinder, the distance between or the length between the two ends, or the distance between the two center of two circular faces, that we called as the height of the cylinder. So here we have radius of the cylinder, base of the cylinder and also the height of the cylinder. Now we can see how to calculate the surface area and volume. Here we have the circumference of a circle equal to 2 pi r, and the radius you consider as r. So area of one circular face, area of the base equal to area of the circle, that is pi r square. So it is the area covered by the outer surface of the cylinder. So first we calculate the curved surface area of cylinder. Here you can see the activity formation of a cylinder by bangles. Keep the bangle of same radius one over another. It will form a cylinder. So it is an activity to make a cylinder. Keep bangles of same radius one over another, then you will get a cylinder. So the figure you can see the cylinder. So the height h and radius r. So here the circumference of a circle equal to 2 pi r and the area covered by the cylinder. That means here the surface area of cylinder. Here surface area means the curved surface area. The curved surface area of cylinder equal to 2 pi r into h. That means 2 pi r is the perimeter of the base into the height of the cylinder. So this is the curved surface area of a cylinder. The formula is 2 pi r h. Here you can understand the circular face or curved surface area. Next one, we have to calculate the total surface area of cylinder. The total surface area means area of all the three faces of a cylinder. So area of all the three faces, that including the curved surface. So we can write the total surface area of cylinder equal to area of curved surface plus area of two circular surface. So area of curved surface equal to 2 pi r into h plus area of two circular surface equal to 2 pi r square. We can combine these two together, then we can write as 2 pi r into h plus r. In these two terms, 2 pi r is common. So we can write as 2 pi r into h plus r. So this is a formula for finding the total surface area of a cylinder. The total surface area of cylinder equal to 2 pi r into h plus r. Now we will see how to calculate the volume. The volume of a cylinder. Consider the radius is r and height as h. So the volume of a cylinder equal to area of base into height. Area of base is a circular shape. So area of the base is pi r square and the height is h. So the volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square into h. That you can write as pi r square h. So this formula we can use for finding the volume of a cylinder. So here we have learned the curved surface area of cylinder and total surface area of cylinder and also the volume of cylinder. Now we can look at some questions given in NCERT book. So here I will explain the first 3 questions of exercise 13.2 from NCERT book. The first question, the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 14 cm is 88 cm square. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. The height is given as 14 cm. The diameter of the cylinder we take as d. So curved surface area of cylinder is 88 cm square. We know the formula for curved surface area of cylinder, that is 2 pi r h. So here we can write 2 pi r h equal to 88. So substitute the value 2 into 22 by 7 into r into 14 equal to 88. Simplify it, you will get r equal to 1. So radius equal to 1 and we know diameter is equal to 2 times radius. That is diameter equal to 2r, that is equal to 2 centimeter. Therefore, the diameter of base of the cylinder is 2 centimeter. Now the question number 2. The second question, it is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter and the base diameter 140 centimeter from a metal sheet. How many square meters of sheet are required for the same? So here it is given a closed cylindrical tank. It is a closed cylindrical tank. So here we have to remember it is closed cylindrical tank. So we have to calculate the total surface area of the cylinder. So for making a cylinder, it will include all the 6 faces. So here we will take the, let h be the height and r be the radius of the cylindrical tank. The height is given, height is 1 meter. Radius is given, diameter is given, diameter is equal to 140 centimeter. So radius equal to half of the diameter. So 140 by 2, that is equal to 70 centimeter. So here height in meter, so radius also we convert in meter. So we will get 0.7 meter. Then area of the sheet required equal to total surface area of the tank. That means the total surface area of cylinder. We can use the formula. This is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. We can substitute the value of pi and r and h and simplify it. You will get 7.48. Therefore 7.48 meter square of the sheet are required for making the cylindrical tank. So the answer of question number 2 is 7.48 meters square. Now question number 3. Question number 3, here it is given a metal pipe of 77 centimeter long. The inner diameter of cross section is 4 centimeter. The outer diameter of cross section being 4.4 centimeter. Find it inner curved surface area, outer curved surface area and total surface area. So in this figure we can see a metal pipe and we know it is a hollow cylinder. It is the shape of cylinder. The length of the pipe is given, that we consider as height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder is 77 centimeter. And the two ends, where we can see the ends are in circular shape. The inner diameter of the end is given as 4 centimeter and the outer diameter is 4.4. So we can calculate the inner radius and the outer radius. So for calculation we can take, let R1 and R2 are the inner and outer radii of the cylindrical pipe. So R1 we can calculate, R1 equal to 4 by 2, that is inner diameter divided by 2 equal to 2 centimeter, and R2 equal to 4.4 divided by 2. Here it is 4.4 divided by 2. So you will get 2.2 centimeter. And height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder is same as the length of the pipe, equal to 77 centimeter. Now we can use the curved surface area of inner surface of pipe equal to 2 pi R1H. R1 we are taking as radius of inner curved surface. So first we calculate curved surface area of inner surface of the pipe, that is equal to 2 pi R1H. So here pi is 22 by 7, R1 equal to 2 centimeter, that we already calculated here, and H equal to 77 centimeter. Simplify it, you will get 968 centimeter square. And second question, outer curved surface area. Curved surface area of outer surface of the pipe, that also 2 pi R2H. So we can put the values of pi, R2 and H. Here pi equal to 22 by 7 and R2 equal to 2.2 and H equal to 77. Simplify it, 22 into 2.2. So you will get 1064.68 centimeters square. Now third one, you have to calculate total surface area of the pipe. Total surface area of the pipe include inner curved surface area plus outer curved surface area plus area of both circular ends of the pipe. So here we have already calculated inner curved surface area and outer curved surface area. So we have to calculate area of both ends. So both the ends, here ends are circular rings. So two circles are here. So it is called as circular rings. So here for finding the area, we can use the area of circle. So here we can write total surface area of the pipe equal to 2 pi R1H plus 2 pi R2H plus 2 pi R2 square minus R1 square. So here 2 pi into R2 square minus R1 square. This is the area of two circular ends. So circular ends, for finding the area, first you calculate area of the outer circle minus area of inner circle. Two circular end is there, so you are multiplying by 2. So together here formula we can write 2 into pi into R2 square minus R1 square. Now we can substitute the values. First one 2 pi R1H, that is 968. Second one 1064.8 plus here 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.2 square minus 2 square. Simplify it, you will get the answer 2038.08 centimeter square. That is the area of, the total surface area of the cylindrical pipe equal to 2038.08 centimeter square. So I hope you understand all these three questions. Thank you for watching this video.